What is IT automation? IT automation means automating IT related tasks by using any programming language. Here we are talking about Go language that is well suited for building scalable and concurrent applications, and that's make it a good choice for IT automation. Let's discuss some IT automation tasks that can be achieved by Golang. First is system administration. System administration automation includes system monitoring, configuration management, and deploy automation. In Golang, we can write the script or utilities to manage the servers here. We can monitor the system matrices and we can automate the backup plans. Apart from this, we can perform the routine maintenance task under the system administration as well. This kind of IT automation we can perform with respect to networking. Here, Go's networking capabilities make it suitable for building the network automation tools, and you can develop the application for network monitoring, configuration management, and for the network device automation as well. So these kind of the tasks you can perform under this networking IT automation. It can basically involve routers, or we can say switches, firewalls, all these things it will be involving. Ghost concurrency features also make it useful for handling concurrent network operations efficiently. Next, we can have cloud infrastructure. Under this, Go can be used to automate the task related to cloud infrastructure management. You can develop the tools to provision and manage the cloud resources and automate the cloud deployment. Under this, you can monitor the cloud services as well and implement the infrastructure as code by using the tools like Terraform or AWS. So by using these Terraform and AWS tool, you can do all the cloud related automation tasks in Golang. Next is containerization and orchestration. With the rise of container platforms like Docker and Kubernetes, Go can be used to develop the tools for automating this container related task. This basically includes custom automation workflows, managing container life cycles, and interacting with container APIs. Another IT-related automation can be continuous integration and continuous deployment. So the CI/CD pipelines you can design with the use of Golang to integrate, test, and deploy their applications. In Golang, we can write any kind of the CI/CD pipelines to deploy their applications. Here we can use Golang testing framework and build automation tool to automate various stages of software development cycle. Next, IT automation is related to monitoring and alerting. So Go can be used to build custom monitoring and alerting tool for IT infrastructure or applications, and you can develop agent and daemons to collect and process monitoring data, trigger alerts based on predefined thresholds, and integrate with notification system. So system administration, networking, cloud infrastructure, containerization and orchestration, continuous integration and continuous deployment, monitoring and alerting. These are the basic IT automation tasks we can perform with Golang. Go can be a valuable tool for automating the IT operations. In next video, we'll understand how to achieve these automations by Golang from coding perspective. Thanks for watching. For more tech insights, hit and subscribe that bell icon. Drop your thoughts in the comments below and share this video with your network. See you next time.